Hello, Arwata Company. Welcome to our workshop at Stones Workshop. We have any stones like you need, like you want, like you order from any stones, like a pirate or this maybe. You know, this is like icon in or annotation in WhatsApp. And I will tell you again and again, we only created the best quality, the best product for you. I create a company. Please order with us and make a business partnership to long last. And thank you so much for trust to us and greetings from Indonesia in Bumi Gemstone from Earth to your heart.